Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account in Facebook Lite app. So you can see this is the Facebook Lite app. So you have to click here, three line, top right corner on your screen. So also click there, then here you'll see it's the menu option. Okay, so you have to scroll down a little bit, and after that here you'll see the option settings. Simply click on settings. Once you click on settings, then here are some options like personal and account information. So simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you'll see access and control. Okay, the last option, simply click on access and control. Then here you'll see two options, memorialization settings and deactivation and deletion. So the second one, deactivation and deletion. Once you click there, then here you'll see deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. There are two options, delete and deactivate it. So you have to choose the first option and then continue to account deactivation. Once you click there, then you will see all your page or all your group here, and then you have to click continue. Once you click continue, then you have to choose why you are going to deactivate it. You can choose among them, or you can give the reason here, or I just simply click this is a temporary, I'll be back, then continue. Once you click continue, then do you want to log out instead? No. And reactivate your account. You can see automatically reactivated my account 7 days. It means that if you want log in, then your account will be reactivated after 7 days. So simply click on that, and you have to choose don't reactivate automatically, and then continue. Once you click continue, then you can see deactivated my account, but your messenger is still open. You have to deactivate your messenger. You have to enter your messenger app, then you have to it's only for Facebook. Okay, then simply click deactivated my account. Once you click there, then your account will be deactivated. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today is no more, and thank you for watching.